Hey everyone, my name is Costa and today I'm gonna share 5 plugins that I use daily and are gonna speed up your workflow in Framer. So the first plugin is the Iconify, and there is some other icon plugins as well, but to be honest I prefer this one because from what I've seen it has the biggest library of icons, and if you click on global search you can find almost any icon you like. So let's type in phone for example. And as you can see, there is different variations of phone icons. There is also some animated icons. I never tried them. So let me try a simple icon inside the canvas and show you. You can change the color and you can also edit the icon with a new vector feature from Framer. So yeah, very cool stuff. I really like it. I use it daily and I totally recommend it. And by the way, it's totally free as well. The next in this list is the Lumi plugin, which is an AI stock website, and it has a lot of free pictures and they are very good quality. And the best part is that they update them daily. Now, there is also some downsides. For example, most of the images are vertical, so you will find rarely an image that is horizontal. And if you would like to have horizontal images, you need to pay for that. But other than that, I really love this plugin and I'm using it daily. My next favorite plugin is the Typescale generator. This one saves you a lot of time because you don't have to create the text styles from scratch, and you can choose between different design systems if you want to. But my favorite one is the golden ratio. And right now, as you can see, I don't have any styles. When I click on apply, as you can see, in just 1 second, it generates different text styles. If you want to, you can definitely delete some of them as well. So yeah, I definitely recommend this plugin. And I see they even have this converted to EM, which is very nice. And the next plugin is a to-do list. So that is very good. For example, let's say you have a project that you work for a client and that client asks you for a few revisions. For example, make the logo bigger or something else, and you can click on this icon, and then let's say you leave the project, you just take a break or whatever, and you come back, you still have this right here. It remembers all your tasks, by the way. So I think this plugin is very good as well, therefore I'm putting it in this list. And the last in this list is the Framer Workshop, which I think is a game changer and it helped me so much. There are still some updates needed. So for example, I would like to be able to use my own API from a different LLM. Another feature I think is missing is uploading images. You know, when I use, for example, Claude AI to generate some code, when I upload an image, Claude understands much better what I want to say or what I want to build. So I think that will be another feature that will be great to implement in this plugin. And the last one, and there is one more feature that personally I would like to see, is generating also code overrides. You know, you cannot put everything inside a code component. Sometimes you need to use code overrides because they are very powerful, and yeah, you cannot just use code components with everything. So I hope that Framer will do these updates in the future. But other than that, this plugin is amazing, and until now the plugin is still free, so again, it's incredible. So yeah, that's the list, guys. And if you have any other plugin that you'd like to use, please let me know in the comments below. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.